Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mr. Tree. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a large oval at the top. Now underneath, let's draw two long curves down for the trunk of the tree. Now we're going to hop back up, and on both sides, let's draw a curve down and bring it back in. And then one more curve underneath on both sides. Now that we have the shape of the tree, let's move in and let's draw the face. Let's draw two circles for the eyes. Now underneath for the mouth, let's draw a line across, and then a curve underneath. And now let's color the mouth and eyes in black. And that's it for Mr. Tree. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!